Hey there, fellow grill masters and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. In today's video, we've got something sizzling hot for you. We'll be exploring the latest and greatest outdoor cooking and grilling gadgets that are sure to take your BBQ game to the next level. From ingenious tools to must-have accessories, get ready to fire up your taste buds with these fantastic finds. 1. FireSense 60508 Notebook Charcoal BBQ Grill. The FireSense 60508 Notebook Charcoal BBQ Grill is the ultimate companion for outdoor barbecues, camping, picnics, and beach parties. This innovative grill boasts 3.5mm cooking bars, ensuring even heat distribution for perfectly grilled delicacies. What sets this grill apart is its instant foldable design, making it incredibly easy to transport and store. Crafted in sleek black, it not only looks stylish, but also offers a sturdy and durable construction. With its portability and quick setup, you can savor mouth-watering grilled treats wherever your adventures take you. 2. Char Griller 2137 Outlaw Charcoal Grill. Take your grilling game to the next level with the Char Griller 2137 Outlaw Charcoal Grill. Designed for barbecue enthusiasts, this beast boasts an expansive 950 square inches of cooking space, providing ample room for your culinary creations. Its sturdy and stylish black design adds a touch of elegance to any outdoor setup. The grill's adjustable charcoal grates allow for precise heat control, ensuring perfectly grilled steaks, burgers, and more. Whether you're hosting a backyard party or simply enjoying a family cookout, this grill is a must-have for the ultimate grilling experience. 3. Bertello All-in-One Outdoor Pizza Oven Bundle. Calling all pizza lovers, the Bertello All-in-One Outdoor Pizza Oven Bundle combines the best of gas and wood fire, allowing you to create authentic, mouth-watering pizzas in the comfort of your backyard. As featured on Shark Tank, this portable brick oven is easy to use and comes with a gas burner, peel, wood tray, cover, and thermometer. You can achieve that crispy crust and gooey cheese in no time. Impress your family and friends with your pizza-making skills and turn any gathering into a pizza party. 4. Amazon Basics 19-inch Portable Propane Gas Fire Pit. Enhance your outdoor ambience with the Amazon Basics 19-inch Portable Propane Gas Fire Pit. This compact and round fire pit brings warmth and a cozy atmosphere to any outdoor gathering. With a powerful 55,000 BTU output, it produces a mesmerizing flame that can be easily adjusted to suit your preferences. The carry strap adds to its portability, making it perfect for camping trips and beach nights. Relax, roast marshmallows, and enjoy the crackling flames with this convenient and stylish fire pit. 5. Etexity Infrared Thermometer 1080. Precision meets convenience with the Etexity Infrared Thermometer 1080. This handy kitchen tool allows you to measure surface temperatures accurately, from sizzling pizzas in the oven to hot griddles on the stove. The laser IR technology ensures non-contact temperature readings, keeping your hands safe from heat. The thermometer's yellow design is easy to spot and adds a touch of flair to your kitchen gadgets. With a temperature range from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,130 degrees Fahrenheit, this versatile tool is a must-have for any grill master or cooking enthusiast. 6. Cuisinart CCB 2717 Grill Renew Steam Cleaning System. Say goodbye to tedious grill cleaning with the Cuisinart CCB 2717 Grill Renew Steam Cleaning System. This innovative device harnesses the power of steam to effortlessly clean grime and grease off your grill grates. The high-temperature steam helps loosen and dissolve stubborn residues, making it easier to wipe them away. Its compact and user-friendly design ensures a quick and efficient cleaning process. Keep your grill looking spotless and ready for the next culinary adventure with this hassle-free cleaning system. 7. Lee Concepts BBQ Grill Lights 2-pack. Keep the grill master in the spotlight, even during nighttime grilling, with the LED Concepts BBQ grill lights. This set of two super bright LED lights features a magnetic base and a 360-degree flexible gooseneck, providing customizable illumination for your grilling surface. No more squinting in the dark or relying on a flashlight. These weather-resistant lights are the perfect solution for outdoor grilling, camping, and tailgating. Shed a new light on your grilling experience and ensure perfectly cooked meals every time. 8. Everger Cast Iron Grill and Cover. Upgrade your outdoor cooking setup with the Everger Cast Iron Grill and Cover. This small charcoal grill and tabletop cast iron skillet combo offer a versatile and durable cooking solution. Crafted from 100% cast iron and enameled for added durability, this grill is built to withstand the elements. Its portability makes it ideal for camping trips and picnics. Plus, the included cover ensures your grill stays protected and ready for action whenever you crave a delicious BBQ session. 9. GHP Group Dynaglow DG4 WB Deluxe Universal Rotisserie Kit for Grills. Take your grilling expertise to a new level with the GHP Group Dynaglow DG4 WB Deluxe Universal Rotisserie Kit. This accessory allows you to create succulent and evenly cooked rotisserie-style dishes on your grill. The kit's universal design fits most grills, providing hassle-free setup and compatibility. Impress your guests with tender and flavorful rotisserie chicken, roasts, and more. Elevate your grilling game and bring the taste of rotisserie cooking to your backyard gatherings. And that's a wrap on our top outdoor cooking and grilling gadgets. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mouth-watering content. Happy grilling, and we'll see you in the next video.